Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the always-on display functionality of features between the Realme UI 2.0 versus the Samsung's One UI 3.1. So recently, I did receive the update on this Samsung Galaxy M51 in terms of the One UI 3.1 update. So right now in the Realme X1 Pro, I did have the Realme UI 2.0 installed. As you can see friends, this is the Android 11 update and both phones are running the Android 11 latest version. So that's one thing to notice as well. As you can see, this is a One UI 3.1 and the Android 11 update, as you can see friends clearly. So let's see what are the always on display functionality and all the features comparison between the both UIs. So finally the conclusion is that which UI will be the best as well. I'll try to conclude, so make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know all the details and interesting facts as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, in case if you are interested to know all this kind of various comparisons between the smartphones. So first let me try to go through the Realme X1 Pro's always on display functionality. So you can find that option in the display and in the always on display. As you can see, this is the option. So whereas in the Samsung's phone you can find the always on display functionality in the lock screen, and here you need to go on the always on display option, as you can see friends. So in the Samsung's One UI you do get this kind of three options. So tap to show for 10 seconds and or show always and show as scheduled. So these are very good interesting options you got here. That's a very good option which I particularly like. Tap to show for 10 seconds, that's my favorite thing which I'll be using frequently. And next option is the clock style. So you can select the different clocks, normal clocks. As you can see, these are the normal clocks. Not only that, you can even select the different GIF images as well, as you can see friends. So which is a really good interesting features which is present here. This GIF image is not present in this Realme always on display. This is not present friends, because both UIs have their own advantages and have their own benefits as well. So that's why I thought of doing this kind of comparison especially. So you do have the GIF option, that's the biggest place point here, showing the music information, auto brightness. So there is even an option to control the brightness. So these are the few things which I particularly like here. I like the auto brightness feature, and next is showing the GIF images. Those are the other things, and next is tap to show for 10 seconds. These are my most favorite options, and as soon as I close the display you'll get this kind of option. As you can see the live parrot which is flying. As you can see, this is a GIF image which you can clearly see, as you can see friends. So right now let me try to show you all the features which is present in the Realme X1 Pro. So first is display option. You do have option for the all day schedule or the power saving as well. As you can see, these are the few options you do have. And next is that you do have the custom patterns. So there are plenty of other different clocks and a lot of digital is present. In terms of all these features, I do prefer this Realme X1 Pro. So many always on display styles. So the Realme phone has got so many custom patterns by default. As you can see friends, everything is by default. If you want, you can download. So in the Samsung you can download. So there's option of downloading as well. As you can see friends, go to the clock style, and here there is option from choosing from the themes, and in the themes you do have the option to download all the always on display themes as well. Samsung will be having plenty of option to choose from which are already developed from so many years. So in terms of all these themes, even you can get in the Samsung phone as well. So right now in the Realme phone I did like this kind of custom patterns. As you can see friends, these are the custom patterns where you can create your own custom pattern. As you can see, just click on this plus button and create your own custom pattern. You can draw your own design as well. So by selecting the what type of brush you want, what type of shape you want. So let me try to select the straight line, so I can draw any letter, as you can see friends, and this will be creating in some kind of pattern. So that's a very good advantage which you are having in this phone. So that's how I created this kind of name Sai, as you can see friends. And you can change all the colors, and you can add even the analog clock as well to that custom pattern. So there's so much of customization. There's a best point about this Realme phone which I particularly like. Design your own custom pattern. That is the main motive of this one. So this is the main feature which I particularly like. So you do have the text option where you can write your own text and image. So you can add, as you can see friends. So I think you can add your own image from the gallery as well. That's another biggest advantage. As you can see, you can add your own image from the gallery. So these are the so many advantages are there in the Realme phone. So the final conclusion is that the Realme UI has got so much in-depth customization. So these are a lot next level customization is there in the Realme UI 2.0, whereas the Samsung has got basic customization covered. So maybe in the future, if the Realme has this kind of brightness option, brightness is a main thing which I am lacking here. If I do have the brightness option, that would be really great in this phone. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.